things up on this garden day on QVC with Ginger Walt. And I have two things with Ginger that we're going to talk about. The first one is from Evergreen. And Evergreen is the sort of the gardening edition, if you will, of Plow and Hearth. So you can think about it that way. This is a floral garden kneeler. Really, really important. Clearance price, saving you $9. It's $23.99. It's the kind of thing you buy once and then you have for a very, very long time. Nice gift idea as well. Maybe you're going to go back. If you go back to items recently on air, the beginning of this 2-hour Pat's Garden Guide, I had Ultimate Innovations. Roxanne had this fabulous tool. Maybe you put the tool and this together as a gift for someone, for Valentine's Day, for a birthday coming up, as a housewarming gift, whatever the case may be. These are reversible, as you can tell. So this is going to be your pink and blue. So here's your pink side. Here is your blue. You got a little handle so you can carry it from point A to point B. Here is going to be your green, and this will be your yellow. And yes, you can rinse this off so you don't have to worry if you get mud or dirt on it or anything like that. 25% off. Ginger Walt, I have known for a very long time. She knows her way around the garden, needless to say. So, hey, Miss Ginger, how are you? I like you in yellow.
Hi. My fellow gardener, yes, I do know my way. I love to garden. I love to get my hands dirty, but I don't love my knees getting dents in them from from being out in the mulch or in the gravel or uneven terrain. So this actually has saved me so many times, not just outside, but I've used it inside. I've sat on it. I've kneeled down on it to clean underneath the sink or underneath cabinets. So there's multiple places that you can take this with you. If you want to sit on it with at a bleacher at a game, on a bleacher, it's super, super comfortable. First of all, it's about 2 inches of a polyfoam material that's on the inside. And no matter how much you squeeze it, you cannot feel your fingers on the other side.
Nope.
And it kind of is a memory foam, so it bounces back and will hold on to that, which is super, super nice. On the prints, I love that we kind of did two-tone. So it matches back to aprons that we have with Evergreen.
Oh, nice.
And so if you did get those aprons, I think they're still available on .com, but it does match back to those colors. But here's the thing. It's serged or seamed together really nice and tailored together really nice with the larger print and the smaller print, with a really nice trim that's on there. And of course the handle makes it super easy. You can put this, like, I would get a carabiner clip and attach it to maybe your garden wagon.
Oh, there you go.
Or maybe if you're going to see a game and you're going to watch the kids or whatever, you don't want to sit on a cold bleacher or just one that just doesn't feel comfortable on your bum. Attach that carabiner to a backpack. And now you're good to go with that too. So you don't have to hold on to it. But it's made out of a polyester material. And that's important because it's all weather proof. So you don't have to worry if you leave it outside. If it gets dirty, hose it off. If you're using it inside, you can run it under water and just kind of spot clean it if you need to. But one of the things I wish that I had was this for when my daughter was younger. And I'll tell you why. Kneeling down at the side of the tub to give her a bath.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, lifesaver this would have been.
And I could even see myself sitting on this on the ground and gardening that way as well, or doing a craft, you know, or
doing a craft is great too, or even just playing with the kids or grandkids.
Yeah,
that's
absolutely. Right. It's pretty and it's functional, everything that we need in life. Here is the pink and the blue. Over here is your yellow and your green. So tell us which you like best. I think you'll be very pleased with the quality of this. It's only $8 to get home, 19.5 by 12.25 by 1 3/4 inches. So put it in the cart and go ahead and check out. All right. So Ginger, we are going to be talking about